Okay guys, so we're in the question number 4, the last part. Okay, so the last part they ask you to find nature of the stationary point. So if you remember, when they say nature of stationary point, what are we talking about? Nature of stationary point means you want to know the max or mean. So how do we do that? d2y over dx squared. We do double differential. Okay, so for this it's going to be a bit hard to do double differential, so I do by part lah. I'll do this part first. So I'll write here part A, I'll write here part B. Maybe I use another color lah for less confusion. Okay, so for part A, what is going to happen is I'm going to label it u equals to negative x square minus 3, b equals to e negative x. Okay, so du over dx equals to negative 2x, dv over dx equals to negative e negative x. Okay, now for part B will be u equals to e negative x, b equals to 2x. Okay, so du over dx equals to negative e negative x, dv over dx equals to 2. Okay, so now we can do the combination. Okay, I'll get another color so that easier for you to see. Okay, so now we can do our second differential dy, okay, dx. Okay, I'm going to combine them. So this time this. Okay, so we do it quickly. Negative become positive, so we can straight write what we're looking for, which is e negative x, and then here we become negative 2x e negative x. Okay, plus this part here, so 2e negative x plus negative, so I have to put a negative here, negative e negative x, and then 2x lah here. Okay, so we have this long thing already. If you follow your marking scheme, they went and simplified. There's no need for you to simplify. Okay, anyhow, just to follow the marking scheme I show you, but again I repeat, there's no need to do that. Okay, so what they do, they have ex here, so they factorize the ex, you'll get x squared minus 3 minus 2x here, so you'll have e negative x, and then here they further factorize it. Okay, because here got ex, they factorize and they get as in the end plus 2 minus 2x, and then they put the e negative x outside. Okay, so now you can notice it's similar with your what we call that, your marking scheme. Okay, so but it's fine, it's not necessary for you to do that step. Okay, you can just do it like this, no worries. Okay, I mean the order is a bit different, but it's the same thing in the end. Okay, so now what we do, we want to find our stationary point at x equals to, we got 2x we found earlier. Okay, one of our x was 3 and one of our x was negative 1. So when x is 1, you have to sub inside this long one, and eventually you will get negative answer. Okay, that means it's indicate a max. Then when your x equals to sorry, this should be negative 1. Then when your x is 3, again you have to take and sub inside here, press your calculator, and you will get negative. So this is max. Actually I mixed up already, this is positive, you get minimum. Okay, so I don't want to do that and make the video very long, but I'm just telling you, second differential you do by part. Okay, this is part A, part B, then you combine them. You see it's very long, guys, very long. So there's no point for you to go and simplify it. If you ask me, you can just directly do what, from here on you'll get your method mark, then you straight take x negative 1, you replace and press in calculator, then you take again, repeat 3 and you press in calculator. This one will give you minimum, this will give you maximum, then that's it, you're good to go. Okay.